Demonology versus MOD2FAME is about to happen. Dragging the track one quick time, so get your spots, get ready, because it's about to go down.
What's good, y'all? It's Sasha in the building. Follow me on Sasha Too Smooth. Subscribe to the YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube at TheRealNova797. My Instagram is TheRealNova797 as well. So make sure you guys tune in. You're right, follow me, PrettyB_392.
Our cars we run until the VIP area gets cleared out. You see where the yellow rope area is? That's as far as you can go. So that everybody that's on the other side of the road headed up the track has to come back, please. It's not safe.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Today is the same day but different video. I'm making another intro because this is another video. I'm still out here at the, what's this called? The Worldwide Technology Raceway. As I said in my previous video, this is the first time I ever been to like an official track. I've been to some that's, you know, real small. I ain't never been to nothing official like this. So like I said, this is my first time traveling this far, especially by myself, which is my first time also. I'm about to get out the car and see what other kind of footage I can bring for y'all, and then after that I'm about to hit the road. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green, purple, or whatever color emoji. And when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime and go and get y'all slime pack merch at slimepack.store. Not slimepack.com, but slimepack.store. The link is down below in the description. Oh, I gotta tell him, the first thing she said to me, yesterday was, am I high?
Next to him.
Because I didn't know. Like, you were so fucking mellow to the point where I just really didn't know. But make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube at TheRealNova797. My Instagram is TheRealNova797 as well. So make sure you guys tune in. I will be dropping a video about the shit that happened today with my car, because I'm just tired of it at this point. But
So you're saying you're not racing, right?
no, I'm not racing. I can't. So I got here, my car has been perfectly fine. When I got, well actually no, when I woke up this morning, I left to come here. My check engine light was on. Got here, parked. Mind you, from the time that I left, I done got gas, which means I have to turn the car off. I stopped at McDonald's to get some food. I turned the car off. Never had no issues. By the time I got here and I set it over there to get washed, it would start, but it wouldn't crank over. So I'm not gonna race it. I can't. Something with my fuel sensors. It's not reading properly.
So when you gonna be ready?
When I get back to Dallas. When I get back to Dallas.
Alright, so I'm gonna call you out. I'm gonna call you out. You gotta give me a car though.
Give me a car?
Yeah.
I can give you two.
Alright, I'll take that.
What's up?
I gotta get one of them t-shirts, man.
Come on, slimepack.store.
Bring some merch with you?
Nah. All I brought was me. What's up? Go ahead, shout it out.
Beautiful car ass.
Shout it out.
What's good, y'all? It's Sasha in the building. Follow me on Sasha Too Smooth. Subscribe to the YouTube. Definitely.
Oh, you up here rhyming.
I know, man.
How you doing?
Oh my God. You're right, follow me, PrettyB_392. Where you parked at? Over here.
How long you been out here?
I literally just got here like 15 minutes ago.
I've been out here since about 11.
Oh, man.
Demonology versus MOD2FAME is about to happen. Dragging the track one quick time, so get your spots, get ready, because it's about to go down. Ironically, both cars are doing the same exact mile per hour in the roll. So it's going to be a very, very close race.
Go to lanes 1 and 2. Drag racers, we are starting drag racing now. Please go to lanes 1 and 2.
You get hot sitting there running while you over there. Let's go, bro.
that's on the other side of the road, headed up the track, has to come back, please. It's not safe.